26 Foundation Math Project. This is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery. I'm very excited here. And today we're going to go into question number 1 of your assessment paper number 5. Now this assessment paper is a little different in that there's not many pictures, yeah? There's a lot of words. So I want to change it a little bit and let's see how you do. Okay, so let's take a look at the question. The question says this. It says Betty and Chloe have the same number of stems each. Okay. Next part, Daphne has 60 stems more than Chloe. When all the stems are shared equally among the 3 girls, each of them gets 150 stems. Wow, just got a little confused there. And part A, what is the total number of stems shared by the 3 girls? And part B, how many stems did Daphne have at first? So let's do part A first. What is the total number of stems shared by the 3 girls? So they said Betty and Chloe have the same number of stems each. Excuse me. So let's take Betty. Oops. Oh, sorry. Last question. Excuse me. Betty and Chloe have the same number of stems. Oh, that's really bad. Same number of stems each. Okay? That's what it says. Now the next part, it says that Daphne has 60 stems more than Chloe. Let's use a different color here. Daphne has 60 stems more than Chloe. So Daphne has 60 stems more than Chloe. So there will be one here over here. And this will be what? 60, correct? Yeah. And the next part, it says when all the stems are shared equally among the 3 girls, each of them gets 150 stems each. So that means if you were to reshuffle everything, you take everything, it's actually each person will get, Betty will get 150, Chloe will get 150, and Daphne will get 150. Wait, can you see the answers already? The answer is, what is the total number of stems shared by the 3 girls? So total number of stems is 150 times 3, which gives you 450. Okay, that's part A. If you got that one right, high five, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. And for part B, they ask you to find how many stems did Daphne have at first. So Daphne have this amount plus a 60. Okay. So how do we do this? Okay. First of all, we need to understand that total here is actually equals to 450 stems. Okay. So 450 stems equals to 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, and 60. So what must we do? First off, we have to erase this 60 and then we divide the answer by 3. So how do we erase it? 450 minus 60 gives you the answer of 390. Am I right? Yeah. So 390 is actually equals to 3 units. 3 units is equals to 390. What is 1 unit equals to? 1 unit is equals to 390 divided by 3, which gives you 130 stems. So what did Daphne have originally? Daphne had 130 plus 60, which gives you 190 stems. So Daphne had 190 stems at first. If you got that one right, high five, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Alright? So basically, that's it. The question is not difficult once you draw models. So please draw models. Okay? Now, let's go on to our quote of the week. Our quote of the week is momentum gives us more results with less effort. Okay. Momentum is something very important, as we talked about in class. Okay. Imagine the strong man again. Imagine the strong man being one person who is able to pull a whole aeroplane, a whole passenger aeroplane, which is superbly heavy. And how is he able to do that? It's because of momentum. At the start, if you can view a video of it on YouTube, you'll see one clip where this man, he's trying to pull it and he keeps pulling it and pulling it and pulling, but nothing actually moves. It doesn't even budge. So what he did was he kept pulling and then he finally fell down. Okay, he fell down on his knees. But what did he do? He got back out and kept pulling and pulling. And after like a few more seconds, what happened was the thing began to move by 1 cm. Now imagine if you were trying all your best and you only move 1 cm. Okay, should you say, I'm going to stop, it's too difficult, or I'm going to keep moving forward? So he kept moving forward, and then guess what happened? It began moving 2 cm, and then 4, and then 8, and then 16, and then it just kept doubling and doubling because of the momentum. And after a while, he didn't have to put in so much effort, and it still kept moving more and more and more and more because of momentum. And that's what momentum really is. It gives you more results with less effort. At the start, of course, it's very difficult. I know how it is, you know. You put in 10 units of effort, you put in 10 hours of studies, and you only get maybe one extra mark or 2 extra marks. But after a while, if you keep pushing on, that thing will start moving, and you will get more results with less effort. Maybe right now, if you study one hour or 2 hours, you're gonna get maybe extra 5, 6, 7, 8 marks. So that's what it's all about. So same thing with the aeroplane, right? The strongman. If he has stuck there, you know, and he just said, no, it's just too difficult. And when he starts seeing 1 mark improvement, maybe some of you have seen 1 mark or 2 marks improvement, guess what? That's still an improvement. It means that the wheels are turning. And when the wheels are turning, you're getting more momentum. And as you get momentum, guess what? That's how you're going to succeed. All right? So please keep trying. Please keep pushing. Please keep pulling. Please keep doing whatever you're doing because it's working. Keep improving, get momentum, and you will succeed. With that, this is Coach Saiful signing off saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.